Welcome to the erosion control simulation. Within this simulation, you will investigate factors related to erosion and then design the most cost-effective erosion control system for a basketball court built into a severely sloped hill. The first thing you will encounter after you jump into erosion control is the stream table. Use the table to examine how water erosion affects mixed materials and sand. Begin by choosing which substance you like to test. If you'd like to get a closer look at what's in the mixed materials bowl, click on the magnifying glass and then click on the mixed materials bowl. X out of the magnified view and select either the mixed materials or the sand to place at the head of the table. If you select sand, you will also get the option to choose a table angle for your experiment. When ready, push the on button to start pumping water down the table. After a few seconds, the water pump will turn off and you can see how much the substance has moved. Press the reset button and try out the other options. Then, go to the bottom of the screen and click on the Court Build button to move on to the next part of the simulation. Here in the Court Build side of the simulation, you'll need to devise an effective erosion control setup to protect your school's new basketball court. Unfortunately, the court was constructed on an extreme hill and is prone to landslides. Choose between different control methods to change the hill's landscape to prevent any damage to the new court. You can select up to 3 different combinations of erosion control methods. Be mindful of the cost, but you also want a system that's good enough to work. Now hit the rain button to test out your design. A heavy amount of water will cover the area, creating a sudden landslide to develop from further up the hill. So how well did your court hold up? The results dialog box will give you a clear-cut rating from 1 to 10. Reset the simulation and continue to experiment with different combinations of control methods to find out the most efficient system.